video people. Video people. Here we go. Pokemon people, video people. We're going against Week 8. We're going against the Sun Warriors. This is a big match. I've had a lot of coffee. I'm kind of hungover, but this is a big match. We're going against Chad. Final week of the season. He's a great player. He's had a fantastic season, and I'm a little scared. Okay. Okay, no Emolga, no Corviknight. That's amazing. So basically, Doug Trio traps anyone in there, which is great. So I can do Poliwrath stuff, to be honest, or I could lead. I can honestly lead Bronzong. That wouldn't be that bad. I kind of want to go with my original plan, which is go to Politoed. And then I guess we can have Poliwrath in the back with Bronzong. Looks great here. Bronzong's like a must, actually. And I guess we could have Wrath or how do we take it? The Ninetales could be a problem if we I kind of like this. This is a slower team. Yeah, I'm okay with this. I'm really like I think I have Mons that can, if I play well, I can win this matchup. But I don't know. I don't really have a great plan, if I'm going to be honest. This could go a ton of different ways. Feel like I found a Chad. Luxor Tapu Lele. Okay, not great, to be honest. But this is Earthquake City. This is Earthquake Town. Why does Doug Trio look so big? Now, I think I just go right here. I just go for a Protect and an Earthquake. Come on, Doug Trio. Doug Bros. Doug Bros! Look at them. They're a little trio of bros. Do you think the tallest one's the oldest, or? Okay, so they don't protect, which is amazing. See if anyone's scarfed. We Earthquake. Okay. No Shuka. Not a lot of damage. Okay. Okay, that's a smart move. I think that was a good move on his part. Life Orb. That's not great. So I can't throw in Poliwrath here. And I think I just switch into Bronzong and go for a Weather Ball into the Lele. I think would be great. Actually, I think I go Poliwrath here. Hey, Bronzong was really free there. Now Poliwrath's not as afraid. We're a little afraid of the Lele, to be honest. I think I switched the Poliwrath out. I think I have to make a read here. This is what I mean. My game plan's not super solid. Because he can just switch in Ninetales for free. So I think I do this, and I think I go for a Scald. I could also go for a Weather Ball into, he's gonna, I bet he switches out the Luxray. So I think I Weather Ball the Lele. Okay. There's Ninetales. This actually is not good position, if I'm going to be honest. I thought this might put us in a decent position, but it's actually not. Because we do not have Akaberry, which is very bad. If we can get rid of Lele here, I don't think this kills. But if we could have gotten rid of it, that would have been awesome. Okay. So honestly, I think I go back into Wrath. I just can't. I don't think I could afford to lose. Bronzong. If I'm gonna be honest, because he could just double me and just destroy me at this point. I knew I should have brought Akaberry. I could just go for the Lele, to be honest. I could Trick Room. Yeah, this is free. This is so free for him. I think I have to switch back into Poliwrath and go for like a Scald. Cool. Oh, okay, but he doesn't go down to Life Orb. That's bad. Paso. Okay, this is gonna do nothing. So we're fighting here. We're fighting. So I think he's just free to launch off Heat Waves. That's the problem here. That's the big problem. Oh, I can't protect. Okay, so my Poliwrath's a goner. I essentially have to give it up, and yeah, my Poliwrath is a big time goner. I think I just, I think I close combat the Ninetales, to be honest. Yeah. I need to waterfall it. This is bad. This is really bad. Learns were wider. That's not super great. I don't think we have a chance at this one, to be honest. Yeah, we're donezo. Big dead. Maybe AV was better. So this is a 2v. Yeah. Oh, and now we have to throw out Politoed. So he's gonna have weather control, which is bad, bad, bad. Ooh, this is super bad. We have to go for a Protect here. And then we go for Trick Room. Is there only play? Ooh, nice. Leech Seed, nice. That's very not good. Yeah, this is some super nice gameplay. So we could Scald. He could totally just switch into Ninetales right here. He could do hard switch. I think we're kind of donezo either way, if I'm gonna be honest. I think I gotta go for a big read here. Yeah, he did not. Okay. We tried to make the read. We didn't get it. Man, honestly? I think we definitely need Moltres for next game. No, we definitely need Moltres. So he's probably faster. We can totally Weather Ball. I think he's got to have Protect if he has Leech Seed. We have to go for a Scald and a Body Press. We have to hope that he protects. Because Weather Ball should OHKO a max, unless he's like very specially defensive invested, which he could be. Oh, that was a great play. Oh, okay. We have to get rid of Ninetales, though. And he probably knows it. He's got to stall out this Trick Room. How many turns left? There's 2 turns. So next turn... I think I have to go for that same play. Or I could just go for a Weather Ball and get rid of this thing. But then I think I lose to Ninetales in the end. Yeah, I have to do this. This is coming down to the wire. I think we have a chance, if I'm thinking about this correctly. Okay, so it gives up Luxray. This Exeggutor could just have Energy Ball and it could just toast us, but... So maybe that was a bad idea. You know what? Ooh, we do not KO. I think he might have this on me, though. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, there's no way we beat Ninetales now. No, that was a good play. I should have went for the Weather Ball. I didn't even think about the Exeggutor going for the Energy Ball there and him switching. That was a nice play. Okay. We figured out a lot of information. That sucks. We actually had a chance here. We had a chance to pull that one out. We just need to make the read, but we didn't get it. That's okay. Yeah, this is GG's no matter what. If he just protects here, it's GG's. Well, it is GG's either way. But that's okay. it's GG's. We can just body press. We did not reveal heavy slam, which is good. To be honest, I think leading Bronzong might be the play. Heat wave, okay. I wonder what that Exeggutor has. I think it could have a Calm Mind. I mean, he could be hiding it, or it could be... It could be... Yeah, he didn't reveal it, I don't think. Okay. Man, what do we go with here? We gotta get rid of Lele early. Like, we gotta get rid of that thing early. To be honest, I think Bronzong Moltres isn't the worst lead. It's not the worst. It's not great. What did Raikou do for us there? Raikou could be a Snarl bot, but besides that, I don't think it does much. I mean, we can spam Rain Dance, actually, which actually won't be that bad. Yeah, Raikou could be good here. We could just straight up lead Rain. I'm thinking about not bringing the Bronzong, although I think it's pretty essential. But this Ninetales won't do much if we don't. Yeah, this should be fine. Let's go you and you. Maybe? We could just start snarling the crap out of him. I think if he has Lele, we kind of need that Moonblast switch in. Because even if we do lead Poliwrath, doesn't do much for us. Yeah, I think we lead Raikou. Politoed, and then Moltres in the back. Yep. I think the goal of this game will be to just keep rain up and keep pressure. Keep offensive pressure, keep the rain up. Same lead. Okay. He's clearly thought about this. And he knows. He could totally snarl a Raikou. A Volt Switch would not be great for us. I think he can make a read that I'm going into Bronzong. He could totally make a read that I'm going into Bronzong. I kind of want to just protect. If he doubles me, I probably die. I could also Rain Dance here. Honestly, I think I just snarl and protect. I don't want to... He's got to make a read. He's got to go for... He's really not threatened. He's got to go for the Raikou here. Just some snarling electric dogs out here. Now I could go for a Rain Dance Waterfall, but I don't think that'll do it. To be honest, I think we still go down to a Moonblast, which is scary. Oh, it's Scarf. How did I not figure that out last game? Okay, it's Scarfied. Scarfied into a Snarl. This is not gonna kill, but it'll do good damage. Enough to where maybe it dies to Life Orb. Okay, so Lele goes down. I'm fine with that trade, to be honest. I knew we were definitely going down to a side shock. Oh, if that KO'd, that would have been massive. Now I think we go into Moltres, maybe? The Snarls are really annoying. But we're Scarfed as well, and we should outspeed this Luxray. Exeggutor. We could just become the Snarl people. We could just become the Snarl people. This thing's gotta protect, right? Or, oh, it can have Sleep Powder. I think we Hurricane it. Actually, you know what? Let's make a read here. Let's make a read that he goes for that. We'll switch out our Politoed. We have to go for this read. This could be huge. Okay. Oh, this is actually massive. I think we had to go for that. I wonder if he protects now, though. Please don't protect. We had it! Now we're Scarfed into Kane. Not the end of the world, though. Because we can... He wants to switch out the Ninetales to get that weather control. So he wants to switch out Ninetales, but he doesn't want to... So we got a Hurricane again. We got a Hurricane that slot. I think we just double this thing with like a Weather Ball, too. Weather Ball Hurricane? Okay. That's fine. He will learn more Scarf. Our Weather Ball should do decent damage. Oh, he's hecked the Sunny Day! He teched it. He teched it. That's super bad. Since we're Scarf, that's super bad. Okay. Well, now that it's sunny, this is horrible. For everything. I think I have to protect here. He doesn't like this Moltres. But I'm assuming he's just going to Snarl. I might have to go for this. I really don't want to be Scarfed into that. I think he switches out the Ninetales here. Probably just goes for Snarl Solar Beam, I'm guessing. Volt Switch, okay. Heat Wave, okay. Now he is the fastest. He is the fastest, so he can totally Volt Switch. And then we're kind of stinking. I think he wants to get this Ninetales. He could Volt Switch, but... He's got to protect the Ninetales here, right? Ooh, this is a bad play. Because he has the Paso, I forgot. Oh, I'm so stupid. I needed to switch into Moltres there. I knew he had to go for Volt Switch there, so he's definitely switching out, and I didn't take advantage of that. I could have just Rain Danced and switched into Moltres. It was free. I'm not playing super great. Not playing super great. Heat Wave. This is not going to do a lot. So he is free to Sunny Day here, which is bad. But then I can just Rain Dance. He might just Energy Ball me though. Yeah. I wonder if he has the Sleep Powder. I bet he does. I'm going to swap into this. Go for a little Rainy Dance probably. Actually, why don't I just Weather Ball? Yeah. It's gotta go for Sunny Day, right? Ah! I can't call anything. I literally can't call anything correct. Oh, we avoid. That's huge. We haxed him. That's what we needed. We needed a hax. So now I think I just go for Fiery Wrath. And then we're looking good. And Snarls, and I think we're good. Yeah. Okay. That's a Pry Protect coming. Yeah. So now I think we... Let me think. I think if we just double the Executor, we win. Because, like, he could go for Sleep Powder. Yeah. Well, I can just go for a Rain Dance. Yeah, I can just go for Rain Dance here, but I think I just go for Weather Ball. This is intense, Chad. Chad, this is intense. These matches, dude. I thought this was going to be a weather war, but I mean, this is like a weather war. Okay. So that's good to know. That the Executor, I don't know if it's all that bulky. Okay, so we win game 2. We won a game. That's huge. It's huge! So, it's crazy. When I first looked at this matchup, I thought the Doug trio was going to be really, really good, but it's it only really looked good with Scarf or Sash, and he could just play around that so easily. So, Dugbro gets the debut, but I think we need the weather mons here. I think we got to fight for the weather. Lele is still a problem. I think the only reason we had a chance there is because we got rid of it so early. It's like, but I think the Raikou is just way, way too good in this matchup. Honestly, I'm okay with this. Is the Politoed really threatened by anything? The Lele hurts. I guess he could Volt Switch and then... Yeah, that'd be bad. I kind of like that same lead. I could lead Moltres, though. Yeah, I could lead Moltres, actually. I don't mind this. Because we didn't reveal U-turn. The one thing I know is we gotta get rid of this Lele. We have to. Because I think our tools for weather are slightly more advantageous than his. Double Intimidate against the Poliwrath. That's fair, that's fair. So I could just go for close combat? Wait, it's not. Hold on. It's not. It's sheer force, Tauros. So I think we U-turn. Could be Sash too. And we close combat. Getting rid of Luxray would be really nice too. I think this is the play. He protects Tauros. That might be a problem. With your Tauros, cool. Ninetales, cool. Oh, if we went for the waterfall, that was looking juicy. Ooh, I didn't think about... Our white herb was already used. So I think we definitely go into Politoed. Definitely. Okay, it's big damage, but we're gonna take massive damage from Volt Switch. We might go down. Oh, Wild Charge. Oh, we're definitely dead. I should have thought about that. I think we live that if we... That sucks. He is scarfed into Wild Charge. I think I U-turn again. No, I think I gotta go Raikou here. If he could switch into Executor here. I don't know if I can afford to make that read. I'd really like Muddy Water right here. That would have been great. I think we Weather Ball and we Snarl. Or we could double Weather Ball. Because he might Volt Switch. And then just... I think I like Snarling here. Yep. Umbreon. That's a lot of damage still. Ooh, he got rid of the Poliwrath, which means this Umbreon's gonna be a menace. Oh, I didn't think about that. Ooh, that's not good. And I didn't bring Bronzong. Oh, I'm a fool. I'm a fool! I'll just start yawning things. Leftovers. Okay, that's not good. Tauros. This thing could definitely just run right at my Politoed. Kinda want to protect, kinda don't. Weather Ball will actually do more, won't it? But I could paralyze. I might need the paralysis hacks. I need to make this. I need to make this read. That does nothing. It's probably AV. That was a great move. That was honestly a great move, Chad. He can just spam Yawn now. That was actually a great move. I might have to double protect and switch into Moltres. I think that's my only way out. I can switch into Moltres. I don't think I take a wild charge. It's not very well. I would get a Berserk. Sheer Force, though. He might just bot me. I don't know. Oh, we might have to make that read. And then... you could just yawn my other slot, though. This is so bad. We're just going to Weather Ball. Swap. That's the wrong play, but we're going for it. Ah, I should have known with Poliwrath. I should have known that I needed to. Ugh. Snarl. That's bad. I don't think we can outstall Moonlight. Good news is we're faster. I think we can Fiery Wrath and spam and potentially win this game if we take a Tauros. I think Weather Ball's stronger. Because it should be 100 power. Yeah, where is that? Yeah. Weather Ball. Fiery Wrath. Hurricane's too risky, I think. And I think we have to go for flinches, to be honest. This isn't a horrible position, but yeah. Yeah, yawning there looks really, really good. Ooh, it doesn't take out the Ninetales. Raikou gets the KO. This game could come down to flinch hacks. If he has Protect on Tauros... then I think we lose. Like, guaranteed. Like, absolutely guaranteed. We'll find out, I guess. But then again, he could have just protected there. So I think he's banded. Or AV. He's banded or AV. Either way, I don't think I can KO him here. That is not enough damage. We need a flinch, or we lose. We hacked. We hacked. We hacked. I can't believe we hacked. Now I snarl. Wait, am I at -1? Is that too risky? I'm not at -1. I think Snarl KOs. Snarl's got a KO. At that range, he has to. We have to Fiery Wrath. We have a chance here. Oh, if we miss a Snarl, though. Okay, we didn't. Holy crap. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. Decent damage, to be fair. He could totally stall us out. We gotta go for flinches. This is not good. Man, this match, if we would have bought Bronzong, we would have been looking great. So we don't want that. We gotta go for this. If we bought Bronzong, we would have been looking so much better. Please, para. Oh, we fainted. I thought we would have survived. No, we can't win this. We cannot win this. We need it to go to time and we need to win. I think it's the only way we win here. It's gonna have Moonlight too. Which sucks. We need flinches. Badly. Yeah, we need this match to go to time. This is two Darky boys. Man, why didn't I just bring freaking Bronzy? As weird as this is, this game is winnable. As weird as that sounds. Did the game time only go down 3 seconds? That's not good. Is that the game time? Okay, protect. So we know the whole moveset. It does not have Moonlight, but it's leftovers. There's nothing we can do. Yeah, it sucks. That's too much damage. Yeah, I don't think we do. I don't think we win this. I think we're just stalling at this point. There's no way. I do not think we have an out. Sorry guys, sitting here with this is wrapping up the match. This is super slow. This is super slow. I don't know that anything interesting is gonna happen. He's just gonna yawn and protect, and I can't do much. I think he's got me. He's got me in the bag. So if you want, you can fast forward to the end. I don't know. But yeah, I don't think we win this. Yeah, now even if it goes to time, we definitely lose because he just has way more health than us. So GG's to Chad. I kind of just want to. Almost might surrender. Yeah, there's no way I win this. Honestly, really well played on his part. Like, he brought. I don't think my Doug Trio game plan was very good, to be honest. I didn't craft. I think the Doug Trio lead is something I have to like really flowchart well and like make sure I know exactly what to do in every situation to put myself in a good spot, and I didn't, and it costed me. I think the Pokemon I chose game 2, like I think I played game 2 fairly well enough to win, obviously, but yeah, no, I think Chad played the set really well because he knew if I brought those same mons that the Umbreon and the Tauros looked really, really good, and he could just take out my Poliwrath, which is a really, really smart play. And I didn't. I led my answers to those 2 mons. I led my only answer, and then I let it go down super fast. It was a really not my best play. I probably should have led a Raikou or something. I don't know. So we're gonna attack, and we're gonna let Umbreon get this final kill. Because Umbreon's cool. Umbreon's awesome. 2 of the coolest dark types out of here. Sorry, I'm just rambling at this point until the game ends. Yeah, really well played. Because, like I said, I had Bronzong prepped for the Umbreon. It was a really nice answer to it. And then I also had... but the Ninetales just made it awkward. I think, in hindsight, Akaberry was probably better, which I initially had in my prep. Yeah, so one more and I'm done. 3 minutes left. I was never going to stall that out. But I think it's a really intense match, and I think, I don't know, I tried to make some reads, and Chad did a really good job of making plays that I couldn't take advantage of very well. Like, they weren't obvious plays, but he also, you know, he didn't make the second best play. He made like the third or fourth play, which I couldn't read into, I guess is what I'm saying. And yeah, that was really nice, honestly. Well played, Chad. Congrats. And it's our final week of the season. We're still looking good for playoffs, though. So we're still in the playoffs, so that's nice. Anyways, that's it. Sorry for the slow ending. And again, GG's. Well played, Chad. Fun match. Loved it.